BTC Live Master Trading. Bitcoin, BTC, live trading is an exhilarating experience where every second counts. Unlike traditional markets, the crypto world operates 24/7, making it a non-stop battlefield for traders. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner trying to ride the waves of volatility, live BTC trading offers endless opportunities and risks. Why is BTC live trading so exciting? Real-time price fluctuations. The value of Bitcoin can change drastically within minutes, creating opportunities for quick profits or losses. Traders constantly analyze charts, news, and trends to make split-second decisions. Leverage and margin trading. Many exchanges offer leveraged trading, allowing traders to amplify their profits or risks with borrowed funds. This high-stakes environment adds to the thrill. Technical analysis mastery. Successful BTC traders rely on technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and Fibonacci retracements. Understanding these tools is key to making informed trades. Impact of global events. Unlike stocks, Bitcoin is influenced by factors like regulatory news, market sentiment, and even tweets from influential figures. A single announcement can trigger massive price swings. Automated trading and bots. Many traders use AI-powered bots to execute trades based on preset strategies. These bots react faster than humans, making live trading even more competitive. Challenges of live trading. BTC live trading isn't for the faint-hearted. The extreme volatility means that fortunes can be made or lost in minutes. Fear and greed often drive decisions, leading to emotional trading, one of the biggest pitfalls for traders. Final thoughts. BTC live trading is like an adrenaline-packed roller coaster. If you're willing to learn, manage risks, and stay disciplined, it can be a rewarding experience. Whether you're scalping for small profits or holding for long-term gains, the world of BTC live trading is full of opportunities waiting to be explored.